Hello and welcome back to another episode of the DIYguy.net.
Alright, today we're going to be showing you how to change the sub transmission oil on this Honda Pioneer 1000.
The sub transmission uses the same engine oil that you put in there. So this is a 1040 AMSOIL oil. You can use the Honda GN4 1040 as well. You're going to need a 17mm socket and ratchet or wrench to remove the drain plug. We opted to replace our crush washers. We're not sure when this was last replaced. You can use these crush washers 2 or 3 times before they need to be replaced. So we'll go ahead and grab our drain pan, slide underneath, and locate the sub-transmission drain plug. Alright, so right here is the driver's side door. And if we come underneath, go to our skid plate, right here, the first kind of oval slot, you will see that 17mm drain plug we need to remove so we can drain the sub-transmission. Install the new crush washer, then we'll reinstall the drain plug.
With the drain plug snug now, we can go ahead and switch over to a torque wrench, set it to 22 foot-pounds, and torque it down.
With the drain plug tight, we'll go back up on top, remove the seat so we can gain access and fill the sub-transmission with oil. Alright, to remove the seat, there's a latch right here. We'll go ahead and lift it up, then lift the front of the seat up, slide it out with the pins in the back. As you can see right there, we'll let it slide down and onto the floor. Alright, so once we have the seat up, we're going to go ahead and lift this rubber mat and heat shield, and then right down in there you will see the fill point right there. So on some of these you will have a cover you need to remove with a couple of clips, but in this particular one we're just going to lift that up, and then right there you can see it. We'll go ahead and grab a paper towel, wipe off around the cap or dipstick, then we'll go ahead and remove it. Go ahead and wipe it off real quick, and we'll set it aside. We'll grab our funnel and start filling it up. We'll go ahead and add our funnel. We'll go ahead and dump in 1 quart, and then we'll check our level and add as much as we need to. It should hold about We'll go ahead and let that settle in, then we'll grab the dipstick and check it. So, I'm not sure if it'll get to focus here, but as you can see, we're just a little bit low, so we'll add a couple more ounces. Now, if we can get it to focus again, you can see we are right at the top, so that is full. So we'll go ahead and reinstall the dipstick slash cap. We can lower the heat shield back down and the rubber mat, and then we'll go ahead and reinstall the seat. Alright, so to reinstall the seat, we're just going to make sure our tabs go in the back side and lock underneath in here and in there. Then we'll go ahead and push it down on our pins, making sure we hear the click and it locks down in the center. Give it a tug, make sure it is locked in. So with our seat reinstalled, that's it. We just showed you how to change the sub transmission oil in a Honda Pioneer 1000. Don't forget to click the link in the description, which will take you to our website for a full write-up. You can also click that subscribe button placed in the middle for you. On the right, you'll find a recommended video just for you. And on the left side, you'll see our recent upload. Thanks for watching another episode of the DIYguy.net.